Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to find or view archived stories on your Instagram account. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select your profile icon in the bottom right corner to open up your profile page, and then select the hamburger icon in the top right corner to open up settings. Underneath first is how you use Instagram. Select the archive button, and this will give you an archive of any of your stories, and you can look and see archived highlights as well, and or any other items in here too. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, on how to do that. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.